Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about like Meta Business Suite versus Ads Manager. We will discuss about two parts. The first one is the Meta Business Suite, the second one is the Ads Manager. So you can see main part here, Meta Business Suite and Ad Manager are both tools for managing Facebook and Instagram account, but they serve different purpose. Like both will be used to manage for the Facebook and Instagram account, but there is different purpose for that. What is the Meta Business Suite? Meta Business Suite is a comprehensive tool for managing a business social media presence, including posting, messaging, insight, and ads. It allows user to manage multiple accounts from a single dashboard. Just what you can see here in the Meta Business Suite, you can manage business social media presence. It can be multiple business social media that is not limited to one or two. There can be multiple business social media. In Meta Business Suite, we can manage the content what we have posted and we can schedule for the future dates. So basically from the single dashboard in the Meta Business Suite, we can manage multiple accounts. Now the second is the Meta Ads Manager, a tools for creating, managing and analyzing advertising campaign. It is better suited for detailed performance. Like Meta Business Suite can be used for like creation of the content, uploadation of the content, circulation of the content, to check the performance of the content, like how organic reach is coming and how much number of the views, like number of the reach, number of the impression is coming on the organic part. But in term of the Ads Manager, we have to run the Ads Manager is generally used for running the ad purpose only, and that we have to run the campaigns, and we can track the performance of the campaign, how campaign is performing, and number of the CPM number in details. We can analyze the campaign's performance. Now you can see that both tools can be use the same Facebook business account. Users can also automate tasks between two tools. So that part has been discussed in the previous video, like how we can access both tools, the Meta Business Suite and the Meta Ads Manager. So these are the some feature of each tool. The first feature of the Meta Business Suite is the posting across Facebook and Instagram. You can manage your inbox, like inbox of the Facebook comment, Instagram comment, Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger. Then you can tag that you can manage from the Meta Business Suite. Now tracking insight and trends, seeing all activity, helping accessible. So in the Meta Ads Manager, what you can do, you can create your ads, you can choose your audience, you can create ad budget, running ads across multiple apps, adjusting campaign dynamic. Means we can say that Meta Ads Manager is used for only for ads purpose. The Meta Ads Manager will be only for the ads purpose. But if we talk about the Meta Business Suite, this is the common platform in that we can do the posting. Like we can say that the Meta Business Suite can be for all tasks, to perform all tasks. It can be related to posting. It can be check the performance. It can be check the performance of the campaign, organic post result. So we can do from the suppose if you have the 6 branch, so you can create the 6 branch pages, and that can be easily accessible from Meta Business Suite. And from the Meta Business Suite, you can separately posting on all branches. So this is just normal, the quick difference between Meta Business Suite and Meta Ads Manager. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. In general, quick recap, we can say that Meta Business Suite is the complete tool for managing the social media presence. It can be like DM, replying the message. It can be replying the comments from the Facebook and Instagram, like posting, schedule the content for the future dates, and checking the performance of the organic content. From the Ads Manager, that will be specifically dedicated to creation of the ad campaign. Thank you.